Hello there, second video from Self-Taught Polyglot. Another thing that is deeply rooted in our DNA and our culture, the Haitian culture, is something that is has to do with urination. If you happen to make pee where a lot of Haitian people are doing the same, I bump into this almost on a daily basis, right? Whenever I happen to make pee somewhere and there are a lot of Asian people that are making pee, I almost always see this happen. This is deeply rooted in our behavior. It is programmed. We are programmed like this. Haitian people, they almost always spit in their urination. I don't know why. I have to ask. Maybe the most traditional idea is that when you spit in your urination, others cannot do evil to you. Just a way to secure yourself, right? That's why you might see that a Haitian people is going to urinate somewhere, and after urinating, you see that the Haitian people spit in his urination just to secure himself or herself. I've talked to a couple of women. They told me that they do the same. They do the same, but I'm not very aware of that because I never happen to. Sometimes I happen to be in a simple square room and urinating, but almost always when I'm urinating somewhere and men are urinating also, they 99% they always spit in it. It is something that they do subconsciously. Almost even I sometimes. I remember sometimes I say, okay, I'm not gonna urinate. I'm not gonna spit in my urination. Either I do it without thinking about it unconsciously, or I just have to. And there has to be a conscious mind to intervene to stop this. Otherwise, I'm gonna do it. So this is something that is deeply rooted in the Haitian culture. Um, any Asian people, any particular Asian person you might see from anywhere in the world, might spit in his or her urination. This is partly of our culture behavior. It is a way to secure, to survive, if you will, in our own community, our own bubble, not to be disturbed by the other. All right. This is something that you can see, that you can notice if you have some Asian around you. Notice that they're spitting constantly in their urination. Sometimes they do it without even thinking about it, without even doing it because they something harm might happen to them. They just do it subconsciously. This is something that is deeply rooted in our culture. All right. So thank you. Self-taught polyglot here. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned to the next couple of videos on the academy, on bilingualism, multilingual in Haiti, and we're gonna have a lot of topics to cover. So stay tuned. Thank you.